DOTE.
The next tip is you can use multiple views of either the same video, or if you have multiple videos imported into your project and available for your transcript, if they've been activated, then you can switch to different video views about in the same event that's occurring, so you get multiple perspectives. And not only that, you can also prioritize what the waveform shows, and you can also say I only want to hear one audio though I'm looking at a different camera view. For example, one audio from a wireless mic, they're all wearing wireless mics as you see here, or from a different camera, and here we have multiple cameras in the room. So here we are in our Lego demo project, and at this point here it might be as we're playing, you can see we're roughly about this point here. She's running back and she's about to tell them the next instruction, so I'm just going to play that. So we've got a nice general view. We can see there all three of them are working on solving this puzzle. She is giving them the instructions about what it should look like, and they've never seen it. So it's a game about how fast you can come back. You're not allowed to bring the model from behind the screen back to the other, so you have to describe it. Just a very simple game to get some interaction going on. And it might be here, we actually want to see more closely what's going on here, and we could zoom in. You can zoom in and out like this with your mouse using a right click operation, and that would zoom in and out, and you can pan around as well, so you can look around in this 360 camera. I just spun around a bit there, don't worry about that. And because we have this set with these toggles here to follow the video cues, then that is exactly what we're showing. That is the video cue that's been set, and it's automatically going to do that. But we have a secondary video we could open up. If I open that one up, you'll see we have another view. It's currently identical, but we can actually move around inside this one separately. And this is under free view, this one. Free view means I can move anywhere, but if I toggle to the saved view or to the follow video cues, as I can do here, it'll go back to the original here, or this one is set to a different camera in this free version of the Lego demo. So if I go back to here, that is the current view. I can choose the camera here. It's zoomed in. I can say, well, I actually want to zoom out a bit again, and there we've got back to where we were. But let's say I do want to zoom in, so I'm just going to zoom in to there. Let's say I want to see roughly what her hands are doing and what her hand is doing, and to the blocks. That is the free view. I can play that. It's not saved in any way, so if I change one of these things, it will be a different view. So you can see there, we can see that much more clearly at the same time as this one. We can also, you can see this is a different camera. I can change this saved view. If I change this camera to a different save view, a different camera, or zooming in here, then that will be saved, so that next time that will automatically be returned to. And then this one overrides everything and goes to this. I could change this one to being this way around, so that this is the one that's tracked on the video cue. So you can see the two primary video and secondary video are very powerful ways of viewing your either one camera that's been recording or multiple cameras. So please use the extra panel to do some clever work to be able to focus on some phenomena, and you can do that in a random way by you going on to free view, or you can do it in a saved, or you can add a new video cue. So there's multiple ways you can do that. Take a look at the tutorial about that to get more, the video tutorial to get more help.